In this video, we're going to talk about why analysts need data engineering. Here's the reason why data analysts also need data engineering. Now, when we think about, okay, what are these people doing? Very often they're working on data in a data warehouse, for instance. So you have your bronze, you have your silver, and you have your gold tables, right? So how is the data structured in these tables? Usually in gold, this is where you have your business case. This means this is, for instance, where you have a star schema and where you have your facts and dimensional tables, right? Now, in these other here, this is basically bronze. This is your raw data. What format does this have? Most likely this is some kind of a white table with a lot of columns. Then you have your pre-processed data. Let's call this just prep. This means from the raw data, there has been a step where the data gets cleaned so that it then can be used and put into the gold tables. So how does the data look there? Most likely the same as before. You have tables and maybe you have multiple ones here now, but it's still not that interconnected as with a star schema because it's basically not connected to a use case. Now, where does the data engineering come in? The analyst here sits here, right? Accesses the gold tables, works with the gold tables, for instance. Now you could say these steps here, these in-between steps, these are already engineering steps here, right? Taking the data from bronze to silver to gold. So that's one of the things where you need engineering. This is what the analyst very often also takes over. But on the other side as well, here, somehow the data needs to get into this data store, right? It needs to get into the bronze layer. So you would have here, you would have databases, you would have APIs, you would have message queues where the data is coming in. A lot of things to actually automate and then to bring the data into a way or into a system where the analyst then can actually work with. And that is the part where a lot of people need to look into. As an analyst, your work doesn't stop here. Your work then goes more to the top or more towards the raw data. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.